How to sell a stock. Should I sell something? I want you to make your decision in a little bit more what I think could be a beneficial way for you. You need to have some rules about when you'd sell. Maybe you want to limit any position to how big it could be in your portfolio. Or maybe you need to say that I'm going to sell a little bit of what went up over 30% or 20% or went up a lot, but give it a number. And that's when you would sell. There's lots of ways to do this, but mostly you want a strategy to help you decide when to sell. I think the best sell decisions are really made when they're based on your life cycle. You get to a certain point in life where you know you need an emergency fund. You know you need insurance to cover emergencies that exceed your emergency fund. And then you need money in savings. So it's not a matter of should you take profits on a stock that's up a lot. It's a matter of what is coming for you, what's in your near future. That's how you should think about the sell decisions. The sell decisions should be based on how a stock fits in your portfolio. If you're not the boss of your money, then your money is the boss of you. Remember that.